How to get gifts on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get gifts on Instagram. So Instagram has just released a new feature called Instagram Gifts, where you will be able to send gifts to your favorite Reels creator on Instagram, and once you receive gifts, you will be able to convert it into actual money. So that is the way on how you can earn money using Instagram Gifts. Now, if you want to get gifts on Instagram, you'll have to first of all allow gifts on your Instagram reel if you are a creator. Now, to do that, first of all, Instagram gifts will have to be launched on your region. As of now, it is in beta version and it is only released in some parts of US. Now, once it is done testing, they will release it worldwide and you too will be able to earn from Instagram using the Instagram gifts. Now, once it is available on your region, what you'll have to do is simply go to your professional dashboard and then simply tap on the option gifts. After that, you will be taken to this page where you can see the option allow gifts on reel. Now make sure you have turned this feature on. Now once this feature is turned on, other people will be able to send gifts to you if they like your content. And that was basically how you get gifts on Instagram. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.